Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLNE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, with another day here in the books, a very straightforward pattern has formed. So before I go any further, by no means am I trying to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part or that I have some sort of special skill. The exact opposite, actually. I assure you, a lot of people out there that use charts and understand charts are going to be watching this pattern, and I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same patterns and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements, and that's exactly what we have going on here. So the first part of this pattern is the resistance portion of it, and that's right up here at the $9 mark. I mean, you go through the history of the chart, and you can see that this $9 mark has really been very, very stubborn in terms of just not really allowing the price to make any sort of progress whenever it's gotten right up around that area. So $9, without doubt, public enemy number one and that key breakout point of the pattern. But at the same time, you have this nice uptrending trend line here. So sure, the bears have been showing up, but the bulls have also been showing up via, like I said, this trend line here. So let's actually change this to green to represent support. And that's what we have moving forward here, and what I would call as, in the world of charting, an ascending triangle. And because this ascending triangle is occurring within an overall uptrend, I mean, nothing is guaranteed, but if you force me to say, you have to guess which way is it going to go, I mean, you got to give the benefit of the doubt to the bulls. And if the price can work its way up there and then get the break up through there, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. Like I said, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, but a lot of people will be watching that $9 mark, and if the price can get up through there, that could really create that much more upside, momentum in the bullish direction. So watch that very closely. But as a whole, like I said, in just in a nutshell version here, summary, 30-minute time frame, ascending triangle pattern, and that key breakout point of the pattern is at $9. So let's see how this one plays out on Tuesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.